Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you a little trick I use sometimes when I improvise, and it's just a fun little idea. But it sounds like this. It's that right there. You can do it other places. And all it is anywhere you find a minor third interval. So right now I'm thinking B flat 7, the B flat 7 scale. So here on the fifth is the note F, and then a minor third away is A flat. And so what you do is you start on the higher note, you walk down chromatically 3 notes, and then you're going to go down a whole step and then come up a half step. So you can do 3 notes above your target note, which is F, and then go a half step below your target note, which is E, and come back to F. If you were to do it on one string, it would look like this. And it's just a really nice sound, really great way to kind of start a line off. Something like that. And then you can go anywhere with it. And then the next octave, do it up here. So here's F, and here's A flat. Same deal, start on the A flat, walk down chromatically, and then go a half step below your target note, so E coming up to F. Really cool. And then it's fun if you can somehow link two of them together. So let's see if I can come up with something. That's not going to do it. So I tried to link the lower octave to the higher one. Let's try it from above. Not as smooth as I'd like it. That's cool. There we go. There we go. So you can take the higher octave and then blend it so you end on that A flat again on the lower octave, and you do the same idea. Then you have a nice long, cool jazz line. So anyway, just want to share that with you all. Talk to you later.